And in Europe, Italy has been hardest hit with more than 300 confirmed cases and the death toll rising to nearly a dozen. France says it will not close the border with its neighbor just yet, but Italy is closing some businesses and tourist attractions. Natalie Carney has more from Milan.
Late on Tuesday, we got reports of more deaths here in Italy. 3 people have lost their lives, succumbed to the coronavirus here in Lombardy. I am in the capital, Milan, as well. One more person has lost their life in Veneto, which is home to the city of Venice. The Italian Health Ministry says that more than 4,000 people across the country have been tested for the virus as the government and health officials take very prominent and very active, proactive steps to try and quarantine the virus as best they can. They are still looking for patient zero, as they call it, the person who brought the virus into the country, the way that the virus was brought into the country. Once that person is identified, they can then better confine the situation. There was an emergency meeting in Rome early on Tuesday between European Union health ministries led by the Italian health minister Roberto Speranza, as well as his counterparts from Austria, Germany, France, Croatia, Slovenia and Switzerland. The WHO, World Health Organization, is also in Italy and working with other European Union countries who are very concerned about the spread across the Union.
We
are taking in this moment all the necessary measures and also working together with other countries. There's also an agreement with the European Commission and World Health Organization regarding the measures we are taking.
Here in the north of the country, there has been a lockdown of 11 communities for concern that the virus could spread further afield. Schools have been canceled, churches have been canceled, public events have all been canceled in an effort to try to contain the virus. A meeting scheduled between the French President Emmanuel Macron and the Italian Prime Minister Giuseppe Conte, meant to have taken place in Naples on Thursday, was also canceled for precautionary measures. Natalie Carney for CGTN in Milan.